Perkins about various issues.
We are in Gujarat discussing the cooperation between Australia, India in terms of sports, and we are joined in by the CEO of the Australian Sports Commission, Perkins. Thank you so much for talking to us. We are discussing India's Olympic bid 2036. We are also discussing Brisbane 2032. We are also discussing more on the sports cooperation. What's on the table? What are you hearing from the panelists and other people from the Sports Authority?
Well, obviously, India and Australia have a long connected history of sport performance, and certainly we can't ignore cricket as being one of the cornerstones of our relationship. But with the Olympic and Paralympic Games possibilities, with Brisbane holding 32 and 36 being a potential for India, there's a lot of resources, a lot of knowledge, there's a lot of opportunity there where we can come together and really support each other to make sure that our games in Brisbane, but of course the potential games in India are very successful.
We also do see that there is a lot of scope in terms of training or bringing in not just the cooperation in terms of the cricket, but baseball, rugby and other sports. What's happening in that sector?
We are the government body that funds and supports the development of programs and delivery for participation right through to elite sport in Australia. And so for us to be able to see where the opportunities are in India, to help develop that broader sports system, to find more talent, to nurture that talent, then give it the opportunity to compete at the international level.
Mr. Perkins, we're also talking about sports financing here. We're talking about more infrastructure, more training structures. Where's the financing going to come from?
Look, I think the reality of the ambition with the projects and the work that needs to be done, there's probably going to be a mix of everything. You will find that there will be a lot of private opportunities, both for large investment firms, but also for companies themselves to develop and work together with political funding as well to find the way to balance the overall metrics out.
The minister here in Gujarat has also asked about more manufacturing that can be carried out here, maybe in terms of the merchandise or maybe more sports equipments. What has the Australian Sports Commission got to say on this?
Look, I think sports equipment is definitely one area to start, and that opportunity for manufacturing is a very important one.
CEO of the Australian Sports Commission speak to us on various factors, specifically the upcoming Olympics, maybe Brisbane 2032 or India's bid for the Olympics in 2036. With camera person Lakshman Rajput is Meghna Dev, 4D India from Gandhinagar, Gujarat.
And